Welcome back. It is Wednesday. It is Sunrise Science, and you know who this is, Martin Fisher from Science Central. Martin, thank you for being here.
Oh, my pleasure. Yeah.
So last week we did liquid nitrogen, and today we're bringing it back.
Two-parter. We talked about the science of temperature last week since we're getting close to winter time. So I figured last week we talked about how when something gets colder, the molecules move slower, a little closer together, and an object contracts. Today, we're going to do the exact opposite.
I like it.
So let's make sure that we put a little bit of liquid nitrogen into our glass beaker. Liquid nitrogen makes up a majority, gaseous nitrogen makes up a majority of our atmosphere. Roughly 78% of our atmosphere is gaseous nitrogen.
Wow.
This is liquid nitrogen. Now I know that the outside of this beaker, it's crusted right now with ice, but
it works
from
fast.
your angle, you can see that liquid nitrogen is clear and colorless.
I can confirm, absolutely.
Just like our atmosphere, it's clear and colorless. So when something gets warmer, the molecules of whatever that substance is starts to move a little faster, a little further apart.
Rapidly, okay.
And it increases in what scientists call volume. Volume is how much space there is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour just a little bit of liquid nitrogen into this filter flask. Very little.
Still bubbling.
I mean, there's only like
going.
an inch or so. Oh yeah, in fact, now since we don't have the ice, if the camera zooms in, you might be able to see, sure enough, it's clear and colorless, and it's also bubbling. It's boiling. It's boiling at room temperature.
At room temperature.
If you can put the top on.
I can do that.
I'm going to go ahead and get a clear balloon.
I'm hearing it come out.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the balloon onto this opening of my flask. Now you can see there's very little liquid nitrogen in there, maybe an inch. But look at that. As it changes from a liquid to a gas, as it boils from a liquid and becomes a gas, the molecules move further apart, the molecules move a little faster. It increases in volume until, cover your ears.
Oh, here we go. I'm ready.
I'll tell you what, instead, I'm going to make a balloon animal.
Oh, you do it all, don't you?
All right, that was bad.
I like it. No, that was impressive.
Thank you.
Wow.
So we've now learned expansion and contraction, all about temperature.
Done all the rounds. The room temperature has stayed the same.
It has.
I love it, Martin. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Appreciate it.
That was so cool.
The magic of temperature. Martin makes it so easy to understand.
Yes, and I could totally see Martin being the person at the party who makes balloon animals for the kids. Couldn't you see
Pretty
that
good
for him?
fly there that he had. Yeah, I could see it too.